So we got another familiar truck, familiar voice here. We got Josh Foster again from TRUX Accessories.
Hey Chris, thanks for having us back again. Yeah, we've got a 99 Pete 379. Familiar truck to everyone. I think this is like the most common truck ever built. So we wanted to be original and be different with it and do some wild stuff. And that kind of was the theme of the whole project, just be as off the wall as we could.
Well, I think you guys accomplished that. A lot of people know you guys for lighting and things of that nature, but what other products are new that you'd want people to know about?
We've built a name in the lighting business with our dual revolution and our color change stuff and flat line and everything else, but we're a full line dealer. We sell anything that a chrome shop can need, from stainless, fenders, stacks, lighting, universal accessories, wheel covers, hubcaps, all of that. Basically what we wanted everyone to know is if you're a chrome shop or you aspire to be, we're the company that can help you get there, you know. On this truck, we designed a brand new headlight. It's a total custom headlight. TRUX is the only company where you can get this. And we designed the bracket, the bucket, and the headlight. The Peterbilt and the aftermarket guys are really gonna like that light.
Well, that looks good. What else you got on that truck working?
We really went after the stainless market a little heavier this year. Everybody knows we're first to market on most of the stainless products for most trucks, but we decided to do a little bit of chrome shop special items. So we went after the T-bars and the box covers. So if you look at the step box covers on Purple Haze, that's our roll and low box covers. They're revolutionary, so extremely heavy duty, 304 stainless. With rolled steps, and we did the same thing on the T-bar. You'll see those in chrome shops really soon.
If a guy wanted to place an order, is he dealing directly with you guys or dealing with the chrome shops, or what's the story with that?
No, we only sell to chrome shops and independent dealers, dealerships. So it's going to be a TRUX dealer. We don't sell directly to the public.
That grill is pretty unique for the truck, so tell me about that.
So we took the inspiration for that grill from like a mid-50s Chevrolet pickup with the rounded bars. We're going to be offering a full line of rounded bar grill bars. So they'll be vertical or horizontal for Kenworth and Peterbilt. We're working on the visor. If you see, the visor on this truck is also rounded. It's just something different. You know, everybody has flat stainless. Everybody has pointed grill bars. So we're trying to do something a little cool, a little cooler, a little different. Capture a new market with these younger drivers coming up.
Well, that's pretty awesome. So tell me about the build itself. Where'd you come up with this idea? This is, you know, something that's totally radical. Where'd the idea come from?
Television. No, we look at what's big in automotive right now, and if you go to SEMA or you watch any of these automotive builds, you know, the panel paint jobs, the 70s throwback paint jobs, that's huge right now. And it's all over the custom car world, but we weren't seeing it in trucks yet. So we decided to kind of step out on a limb and see if maybe the same people would like it over here. And so far the reception has been absolutely incredible. But I got to credit the ideas of what to do here with our great team at TRUX. From top to bottom, we have some very talented, very creative people.
Thanks for taking the time to come out with the truck to where we can have a look at it and see what's new from TRUX Accessories. And of course, we're over here at the 2018 75 Chrome Shop Truck Show. And I'm sure we'll get another peek at it there when you're sitting there on the lot looking all pretty.
I hope so, Chris. Thanks for remembering us again this year. You're doing an amazing job on all the videos.
Well, thank you very much, sir.